Okay, this is going to be a quick review of our room in the Banyan Tree. The room number is 1806. This is on the 18th floor. Here is their key. You push in. You have the control panels right here with the AC. They have a card on the door. This is the work table with your Avaya phone. Touchscreen, I believe. No? Yeah, there you go. Touchscreen. Nice big mirror. Complimentary waters. This is the living room. You have your big couch with a nice Zen candle thing in the middle here. Very nice, with their Banyan Tree logo. You have a video about Banyan Tree, the brand, playing on the TV. So this is the living room. Very nice and comfy couch here. Beautiful art on the wall. Here's the path to the bathroom. Oh, actually before that, we have the bedroom on the left here. Very nice decor with a huge TV, flat screen TV. This is felt, very nice. You have a control panel here, various things, temperature. Okay, so that's the bedroom there, and this leads to the bathroom. Got a nice control panel on this side as well. Walking into here, you have a full bathtub. And this is your toilet with the wash basin for your feet. Marble. Let's look at the, oh, you got a nice scale there. And his and her sink. Look at that. You have some toothbrush and toothpaste as well. Very nice. You have body lotion, liquid soap. Let's move that aside. We have some drawers for various amenities. Brush, loofah, I don't know what that is. Shower cap. And you have a second set at the bottom. No, different. Shaver, shaving cream, some extra stuff, comb. Now you have a makeup mirror. Beautiful. On this side, you have another sink, hand towels, and a ceramic cup. Very nice. You have a shaver outlet here. Over here, you have some more amenities for the tub. Towels, of course. It's at the bottom. Some text. And you have your window out to the city here. And here you have your standing shower. With a shower head at the top. shampoo, conditioner, bath gel with a handle here. Pretty cool. All right. And you have this partition thing going on. I prefer to have a proper standing shower that's glass. This is technically glass, but I kind of don't like it. You know, it's basically one big room partitioned into, you know, you have your bathroom, toilet, your tub, as well as your vanity area here with a huge mirror. It's massive. This has a silvery wallpaper. Very nice. Okay. So walking back out to the bedroom here. A very nice, comfy, king-size bed. Banyan Tree logo there. Alarm clock. What is this? Pendant lights. Floor lamps. Yeah, all the lights are on. Okay. So we're in the bedroom here. You have a nice little sitting area right next to the outside window. You have lampshade here, a large one. Okay. And you have a touchscreen phone, a Avaya phone. There we go. End table, of course. Large king size bed with a nice background there. And you have your mirrored spaces there, the closets, floor to ceiling mirror. Beautiful. There's a lot of spaces in there actually. And a big screen TV, flat screen TV on this soft touch wallpaper. Very nice. Let's go ahead and look at the closets. So this is the left closet. It's got a big space. As you can see, our large 29-inch luggage fits perfectly. You have laundry bag on the left side here, and a safe for your valuables, storage for our backpack here. We have storage for another backpack or luggage. We just put our stuff up here, and there's another level at the top as well. Okay. So let's take a look at the right side. The right side, we have two robes. Clothes hanger, two robes, slippers, shoes, yeah, place for your shoes, ironing board, extra pillow, and storage at the top. Okay, let's look at these robes. Wow. Let's look at the outside here real quick. Let's look at this work table. It's pretty nice. It's a full-size table here. Coffee machine, plates, cups. Nice pop-up console here for USB charging, Ethernet, and of course your hotel directory. Oh, stationery. Very nice. Well, that is it for a quick walkthrough of our hotel room 1805 at the Banyan Tree Doha, Qatar. Thank you for watching.